Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today is March 16th, 2025, and it's time to start our seeds, guys. I'm actually a few weeks behind. I usually start them at the beginning of March, but it's okay. We have to get them started now though. So what I do is I take these little seed trays, I save them. These are probably 2 or 3 years old. I got these kind. I got these kind. And that's all. Also got these kind. Any kind of work, guys. You know, you don't want to start your seeds in something this big. You know, I'll transplant them from something smaller to this size if I need to. But a lot of times I'll just take my plants from a seed cell this small and transplant it straight into the ground. Works perfect for me every time. So what I did was today I went and picked up some basic organic seed starter. Any kind of organic seed starter will work. You just want to make sure that it's got plenty of perlite in it. Perlite works wonders. Perlite and peat moss. You want those two things in your seed starter for sure. I always get organic. I don't want anything added to my seed starter. Peat moss and perlite's enough for me. I've even made my own. Alright guys, so let's get into planting our seeds. So what I'm going to do, we'll start with these here. So I take my seed cell trays. It doesn't matter if it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 50, 72, it doesn't matter. However many you want to start. I always start a few extra. I got a pretty good sized garden. So what I do, just got an old cup here, old soup cup. Just gonna lightly go over the top. Seed cells. There. Just gently go in circles. Fill in your seed cells. Need some more. Oh, get us another cup. Same thing, go right over the top. You may lose some over the sides, it's okay. Pat it down. Around and around. So it's flattened out. You want to make sure they're full to the top. I'll show you why here in a second. And what I like doing, after I get my seed cells full to the top, they should look like that. Take any kind of object. Today I'm using a pen. You want to put me a little hole right in the middle of all these. They do not have to be perfect. Making sure we don't go too deep. We don't want to put the seed all the way at the bottom of the cell. We want to give those roots room to grow. Just like that, guys. Hope you all can see the holes. What we'll do next, we got our organic cabbage. I love the Fairies Round Dutch cabbage. Take your seed pack and make sure all your seeds have settled to the bottom so we don't lose any when we go to tear the top off the package. What we'll do, put a few in our hand. And these seeds are teeny tiny, guys. Cabbage seeds are very, very small. So what we'll do, come through. I like to put 2 per hole. You don't want these little guys very deep at all, guys. They are tiny. come through and show you all in a second what they should look like before you cover them up. And if you make your hole too deep with your pen, just come back with your finger, level a little bit out on top of the hole, and drop your seeds in, guys. It's not hard. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Ooh, I dropped 4 in that one. So I'll take 2 out of there.